Alright, peep. Yo, I'm showing you something I shouldn't even show you this in about. Yo, me have to look off of the pride and show. I be a throat, me a vomit, peep. Anybody, anyway. I'm a vegetarian. See? But me I do some hard workout at the gym. Me feel weak, me know my body needs some protein and thing. Cause me not really have the type of protein I use substitute for the meat. Cause I don't know how the whole protein and meat stay there. All they can find the protein will give you the same protein with the meat give you. So I say yo, I'm gonna buy a box food this morning for my breakfast, yo. And everything I go so well in yo until I go back up on this year at a restaurant. I not even call the name yet. Cause I can't go back around the this is a full head, you know. Could it full head with all the it's like a rooster like with all the comb on top of my head, them just throw it in the pot same with all the full mouth, the beak and everything. Could it people can't so wicked people. And what them look out for? You see it? Come like all the full eye. Stew chicken I buy at the restaurant. A matter of fact, I can call the name car. You know, it's a restaurant around a Oak Plaza in a Portmore, right side of the e-service, the call center this up. Right at the, for all the people them who know me at all, coming from KFC up this up. Go down there, go down to Nagwood. That little plaza there where the on your left hand side we have a restaurant. And the wholesale, like this I'm a bite. See it, yeah? I don't even remember them name good. But when I go back around, when I get them name, I share it to the people. Avoid a restaurant here. I want them sitting near them people and cook the people. Queer. Full head with all the comb. With all the comb peeps. See there? See comb there? I vomit. A beer vomit, I vomit for me see it. Cause the food never bother me. Even though me a vegetarian. But for me see this a comb here. For me see this a queer. For me see this a beer vomit, me a vomit people. Could they? See all the mouth there? The people them do it same way. Same way peeps. What is that people them a look out for the people?